Please come. Finest warrior this planet has to offer. I can sense no limit to his energy.
Are you the boss man of these invaders?
Wonderful.
Huh?
Before we fight, let us exchange names. I lead the pirate band known as Dark Matter, and I am the dominator of the universe. My name is Boros.
I'm a hero for fun. I mean, a real professional hero. And my name is Saitama.
Saitama.
Look, dude, I don't know what the denominator of the universe wants with Earth, but you sure did make a big mess out of City A.
What I want with Earth. There exists a prophecy.
Prophecy? What do you mean?
I was once a traveler, exploring the universe, ravaging everything in sight. But I was too strong. Eventually, I found there were none left who could face me. I came to know the torment of utter, all-encompassing boredom. Then one day, a great seer told me, somewhere on a faraway planet, a being exists who is my match. One who could rekindle my passion for battle. That was nearly 20 years ago. Have you any concept of the distance I've traveled to get here? My men thought the prophecy was a ruse, a fairy tale made up to focus my attention and lure me away. But now I'm certain it was true. Come and give stimulation to my existence. That is why I am here.
Are you an idiot? You can't just go around attacking other planets simply to liven up your boring little life. Even telemarketers wouldn't think of something that dumb.
This set of armor, which was used to seal in my immeasurable, irresistible power, has now been broken.
Okay.
Even though my true power has been unleashed on you, somehow, you're still able to keep up.
Yep. You're tough. Cool.
as I thought, you are strong. Of the myriad beings I have battled thus far, only you survived for this long. Now to release the destructive energy held within me. Any normal creature hit by it would find even their bones vaporized. Behind you! You were a worthy opponent, but the outcome of this battle is clear. My species won the struggle for survival amid the harsh environment of our home. We possess the ultimate in regenerative abilities. I, in particular, have the godlike traits of self-healing, physical prowess, and latent energy beyond your conception. A wound that would be fatal for you heals on me in mere moments. By focusing all my energy on my destroyed arm, I can exponentially speed up the healing process. Good is new. You, on the other hand, will only get injured more. All while your stamina gradually decreases
Shut
down.
up. Blah, blah, blah. You're boring me out of my mind. Are you finished?
Not yet! Meteoric burst! From my body transforms into a propelling force, elevating speed and power to a level beyond the limitation of living flesh. Doing this places enormous stress on my body, similar to anaerobic exercise. As a result, it shortens my life. Therefore, it should only be used as a trump card for settling fights as
It's tilting! Nice, you're doing it! Awesome work, Tornado!
Cool. I made it back.
This infuriating man makes me want to give this everything I've got! That's the way, Saitama. You are indeed worth the effort.
Consecutive normal punches.
I will defeat you! All of my energy will be released.
blasting you, and this planet straight to hell! Collapsing star! Roaring cannon!
In that case, I'll use my own final move. Killer move, Serious Series. Serious Punch!
Did I lose? I can feel nothing.
You're still conscious. You really are strong. For real.
The prophecy held true. The battle was a hard-fought one.
Yeah, it sure was.
You lie. You were holding back, weren't you? I never stood a chance. It wasn't even a battle. You obliterated me. So much for the words of prophecies. You were just too